Finally, Governor Chachukwu Soludo have promised to release Akwa Tiwara aka hit with Onye Jesus. Yes, Governor Chachukwu Soludo have promised to release them, but in 3 good conditions. Yes, in 3 good conditions. Whoever that failed to abide or to do this thing must be sentenced life imprisonment. That they will release them on 19th of December 2025. Yes, but any for 3 good conditions that ma go in this video. That whoever that failed to do it must be sentenced life imprisonment, no mercy for that person. Number 1, Governor Chachukwu Soludo go first that na I want make a hit. Onye Jesus with nkata ogwu iki. That now I gotta stop it. That now whoever that find guilty on it again must be sentenced 5 years imprisonment. Yeah, this is what I had yesterday. Number 2nd rule, Governor Chachukwu Soludo drove Akanante said that now they did not need any road sacrifice anymore. That they no need aja anachu n'okporo ụzọ. That no one nwetara ha na-achụ aja n'okporo ụzọ must be sentenced 10 years imprisonment. Yes. That na choja aja anachu n'okporo ụzọ, like for example na if market ewete ewu to kopia no na etiti ụzọ na akụkụ ụzọ ọ bụ ebe ụzọ gbara eno tụọ dị aja. As that whoever that find guilty on it again, no matter who is that person is, so break it. So bro Onye Jesus, so bro Akwa Tiwara, 3 of them must be sentenced life imprisonment. All bring with 3 na to aja na n'okporo ụzọ. This is what Governor Chachukwu Soludo told them on yesterday. Bo agala court in Oka. That all bring with 3 made trusting again must be sentenced life imprisonment. Number 3rd rule. Governor Chachukwu Soludo said not choose any water sacrifice. Like someone like Onye Jesus, saying that no one sign no me water me miri beside that. That no onye daoria obi aba sa me baptism no sayaro. That person wrong way. Governor Chachukwu Soludo not choose that such thing in Anambra State. That whoever that find guilty of actual that no or continue to that thing, that person will be sentenced life imprisonment. Yes, according to what I heard from someone yesterday. As whoever that find guilty on it must sentence life imprisonment, no matter who that person is. Yes. Actually, Anambra State, Anambra State there ocha. Because sometimes all these rules sacrifice they pollute air. But some people will not understand. Like, I'm just coming back from one place. By past that place, it's like they did the sacrifice that place, sacrifice of hen.